What we're looking at here is the Unity editor. This is where all the magic happens. At first glance, it may seem pretty intimidating, but I promise you, by the end of our first project, you'll be very comfortable with the Unity workflow. Let's cover some of these panels. The project view displays all the assets that can be used within your game. Your 3D models, your 2D textures, your sprites, your audio assets, etc. It will all be displayed in this view. Next we have the scene view, this gray square area in the center. The scene view is where you design your level and prototype your ideas. You are able to navigate inside the scene view and manipulate objects. The scene view allows you to switch between 2D and 3D using this little toggle. Next we have the hierarchy. This displays every game object in your scene. In our default scene, we have a main camera game object. Select it and you'll notice the right side panel known as the inspector shows up. This panel displays detailed information about the object you have selected. For example, the main camera has a transform component which holds the position, rotation, and scale of the object, a camera component, and additional components below. Now let's check out the toolbar. It spans all the way across the top from left to right. The toolbar provides access to the most essential working features. On the left, it contains the basic tools for manipulating the scene view and objects within it. In the center are the play, pause, and step controls. The buttons to the right give you access to your Unity Cloud services and your Unity account, followed by a layer visibility menu and finally the editor layout menu. Lastly, we have the game view. This view is used to play and test your game. Anything in view of your main camera will be displayed here. So let's take a look at this default layout. Unity allows us to rearrange this however we want for a more productive workflow. For the past 6 years, I've been using my own preferred layout and I found it to be quite easy to work with and it's extremely user-friendly. Here's how to set it up. Select the layout drop-down in the top right. Select tall, drag the game view below the scene view and raise it so that it's parallel with the project view. On the project view, select the little hamburger menu and change it from 2-column layout to 1. Finally, head to Window, Console, attach this next to our game view. Our console is used to display information about our games. We'll use it to debug our programs as well as receive any errors our game might throw. As you can see, this is a pretty clean setup. I have everything I need neatly organized to rapidly prototype my ideas. That wraps up this video. In the next lecture, we'll be setting up Unity Collaborate.